Hello Shiva sir, Namaste. My name is Krishna and I am here to talk about this beautiful, wonderful all-in-one uh, tool that you have gifted us. Thank you. I'm calling it all-in-one because it has helped me improve all aspects of my life. It has helped me improve my health. My toothache has got healed by this. My stomachache has healed by this. My headache, my back pain, my leg pain, and you had detected cancer in my etheric body. More than 80% was coming, and Srinidhi ma'am sent me red healing wand, and with it I kept on healing me and reading forgiveness affirmations for cancer cells. And today I am cancer free, which is the huge gift you have given me. And all kinds of pains has been gone because of this beautiful tool. My water we can charge with this, medicines we can charge with it, we can detox, we can remove all the toxic energies from medicines and all the food that we eat. My plants have been healed by with this. Dying plants were revived with this wand, and they are doing so well now. The birds that come to my windowsill, sometimes I find them injured. I heal them with this and they get better with it. Animals have gotten better with this. um, my maid, who normally has one or the other problem, physical problem, I get healed by this healing wand. uh, and this is also helping me mentally. I do divine fire for all sorts of things from morning till night with this healing wand. My financial problems have gotten better. The court cases that were going on for 12 years with my land in my native place now is moving forward, and we are hoping to get better result with this. My son got good job because of this healing divine fire we were doing with this healing wand. And I am also healing animals and birds of my area, all the plants and trees of my area, and also the period pains of all the ladies in my area with this healing wand. So also I have seen some improvements, or some of my electronic items like my fridge which stopped working got healed with this healing wand. uh, my house I clean with this healing wand. So it's helping me in all areas of my life. Thank you Shiva sir for gifting us with such a wonderful tool. Thank you, thank you, thank you.